Hello everyone, welcome back. I'm making videos about the final cabin assembly. As you can see, I've got the rear wall. It's glued on to the bottom, to the floor. I have the wall for this side sitting in ready position here. I have everything cleaned up. I've sanded off all the places where the glue goes to promote the better adhesion. So it's all ready to go. And I'm gonna have to wait about a half an hour to do, actually about an hour and a half. I have to go visit the dentist. So that's about it. I just wanted to show the start before I get too much of it built. And everything's going really well. I have excellent adhesion to the material. I don't see any problems. So, that's it for now. Like this. As you can see, I'm now getting ready to put on the passenger side wall. And what I've done in order to get ready for this, I've got a couple of props. There's a wooden one clamped to the trailer frame. Two PVC ones that are just so I can push it flush with the floor platform. And this is all cleaned off and prepped. What I'll be doing now is putting the glue on here and here and here. And you can see that I have sanded the gloss finish off so the glue will grab better. What I'll be doing once I get the glue on and the wall position in place, there's multiple places where I can clamp it. I've got a bunch of sliding long bar clamps to go from the door, inside of the door here, to the corner to pull it in tight. All right, I'm going to set up the tripod now, and hopefully I can show how I get this on here with just me. Okay, here we go. Okay, I'm just gonna stop the recording so I can get some clamps on. A little awkward with just one person, but it's doable. Okay, one side glued on. It's a little messy. You can see the glue got spread around down the bottom a bit. But that's okay, that's still on the protective plastic. When I peel the plastic off, it'll come right off. You can see I've got ties from the windows down to the floor. On the back wall, I'm actually going to put one more sliding bar clamp. Guess it gets light in your eyes there. Right about here, I'm going to add another. Actually, a pipe clamp is all I got left now. But you can see how it's all braced together, top and bottom. This side's done. Okay, I've now got the second wall in place, glued in place. Sorry I didn't get any camera work, live action while I was doing this, but if you ever build a trailer like this or a box like this, hell, you could use this stuff for just about anything. It would make a great garden shed. You realize if you're working by yourself, you can see there's 1, 2, 3 pipe clamps holding the corner in as tight as I can get it. See some glue oozing out here and there. It's pretty straight. It has to be caulked anyway. And there's a large surface area. I do have a long working time for the glue, but again, working by yourself, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 clamps holding the corner, outside part of the corner in tight. Let's go back and because this is a lap joint construction, the pylon underneath this piece of PVC lumber isn't supported. It gets glued to the PVC lumber that's part of the rear wall. So you need a lot of clamps to pull it in tight and make a good structural joint. Like I say, it's very awkward doing it yourself, but the only thing I can't do myself really is the roof. And while I'm waiting for some help, I'm going to go ahead and finish the wiring in the vent opening. I also have to make an adjustment here. These wires aren't quite where they should be, but it's all going to be covered by the wall, so I can make a slice and move them over a little bit. I've also had to figure out some diagrams because I've got quite a load of wire here. I don't want to get anything mixed up. So move around to the rear corner now. And you can see there's a little bit of a flap there that will be flush trimmed, and also there will be your standard aluminum RV trim. Not because it needs it, it's just it gives it a little bit of protection from branches and things. You can see on this side there's a little bit extra here. I'll trim that all off. course, before I put the aluminum on. Okay, that's it for today.